Introducing the Matco MCL1613BS and MCL1618BS 16-volt belt sanders. A 16-volt INFINIUM line expansion provides another tool for hose-free work. The indexing arm allows for easy, fast angle changes for accessing hard-to-reach areas. Depressing the locking button allows access to 8 available positions. A toolless design makes belt changes quick and easy. Internal gearing and knurled drive wheel provide incredible torque for tough jobs. The Easy Move safety lever design and variable speed throttle provide excellent speed control. An all-metal contact wheel provides durability for all sanding, grinding, and surface preparation jobs. The interchangeable arm design allows flexibility to use either half-inch 18-inch belts or 3/8-inch 13-inch belts. For more information, contact your local Matco Tools dealer today.